Hello, English language learners. This is your speaking practice session for talking about your job in English. No explaining, no grammar rules, just real sentences. You listen, you repeat, you speak. Stay till the end. The sentences get more interesting and there's a full conversation to shadow at the finish. Let's do this. Welcome to Speak Along English, where speaking English is easy and fun. I am Mia. Before we start, if you haven't watched our podcast episode on this topic yet, the link is in the description below and in the card above. In that episode, I and Alex explain all the vocabulary and phrases in detail. This session is the practice part, where you actually say it out loud. Let me quickly tell you how shadowing works. I say a sentence, you hear it, then I say it again, and you repeat it out loud at the same time as me. That's it. Don't just listen, speak. That's what makes this English shadowing practice work. Stay till the end. We start with simple sentences, but by the middle, you'll be describing your full job situation. And at the end, there's a complete shadowing conversation, the most useful part of this whole session. Don't skip ahead. Let's begin. Speak along with me. Group 1, answering the question. What do you do? Listen, then repeat. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. I am a nurse. I am a nurse. I am an engineer. I am an engineer. I am a driver. I am a driver. I am a student. I am a student. I work as a teacher. I work as a teacher. I work as a manager. I work as a manager. I work as a designer. I work as a designer. I work as a chef. I work as a chef. I work as a sales assistant. I work as a sales assistant. I work at a school. I work at a school. I work at a hospital. I work at a hospital. I work for a big company. I work for a big company. I work for a small business. I work for a small business. I work for myself. I work for myself. Great work. Now we go deeper. Next, you'll describe where and how you work. These sentences sound much more natural and complete. Keep going. Group 2. Describing your work situation. These are very useful sentences. Speak along. I work full-time. I work full-time. I work part-time. I work part-time. I work from home. I work from home. I work remotely. I work remotely. I work in an office. I work in an office. I work full-time in an office. I work full-time in an office. I work part-time from home. I work part-time from home. I work remotely for a technology company. I work remotely for a technology company. I am a freelance designer. I am a freelance designer. I work freelance from home. I work freelance from home. I work Monday to Friday. I work Monday to Friday. I work 5 days a week. I work 5 days a week. I start work at 9 o'clock. I start work at 9 o'clock. I finish work at 6 o'clock. I finish work at 6 o'clock. I have a 1-hour lunch break. I have a 1-hour lunch break. You're halfway through. Next, workplace vocabulary. Colleague, manager, deadline. These words will make you sound confident at work. Stay with me. Real workplace vocabulary. In full sentences. These are the words you actually hear and use at work. Ready? Speak along. My colleagues are very friendly. My colleagues are very friendly. I have a good relationship with my colleagues. I have a good relationship with my colleagues. My manager is very supportive. My manager is very supportive. I report to my manager every week. I report to my manager every week. I have a meeting this afternoon. I have a meeting this afternoon. We have a team meeting every Monday. We have a team meeting every Monday. I have a deadline on Friday. I have a deadline on Friday. The deadline is tomorrow. I need to hurry. The deadline is tomorrow. I need to hurry. My salary is paid every month. My salary is paid every month. I am happy with my salary. I am happy with my salary. I send emails every day at work. I send emails every day at work. I write reports for my manager. I write reports for my manager. I answer phone calls at work. I answer phone calls at work. I help customers with their questions. I help customers with their questions. I enjoy my job very much. I enjoy my job very much. Almost there. One more group, then the full conversation. This next section is about your feelings at work, likes, dislikes, challenges. These sentences make you sound really natural. Don't stop now. Group 4. Now you can describe how you feel about your job. These sentences add personality. This is what real English conversation practice sounds like. Speak along. I really enjoy my job. I really enjoy my job. I love working with people. I love working with people. My favorite part of the job is helping others. My favorite part of the job is helping others. The most challenging part is the deadlines. The most challenging part is the deadlines. Sometimes my job is stressful. Sometimes my job is stressful. But I am proud of my work. But I am proud of my work. I have worked here for 2 years. I have worked here for 2 years. I started this job last year. I started this job last year. I want to learn more in my job. I want to learn more in my job. I hope to become a manager one day. I hope to become a manager one day. My dream job is to work in music. My dream job is to work in music. I am looking for a new job. I am looking for a new job. I would like to work full-time. I would like to work full-time. I want to improve my English at work. I want to improve my English at work. Speaking English at work is my goal. Speaking English at work is my goal. This is it, the final section, a complete natural job conversation. Shadow the whole thing from start to finish. This is the most valuable part of the session. You've earned it. Now, this is where everything comes together. I will read both sides of the conversation slowly and clearly. Speak with me or repeat after me. Let's go. So, what do you do?
So, what do you do?
I work as a graphic designer. I work for a small creative agency. I work as a graphic designer. I work for a small creative agency.
Oh, interesting. Is it full-time?
Oh, interesting. Is it full-time? Yes, full-time, but I work remotely. From home mostly. Yes, full-time, but I work remotely, from home mostly. Do you enjoy it? Do you enjoy it? I really do. My colleagues are great, and my manager gives me a lot of freedom. I really do. My colleagues are great, and my manager gives me a lot of freedom. What's the hardest part? What's the hardest part? Honestly, the deadlines. Sometimes I have 3 deadlines in 1 week. Honestly, the deadlines. Sometimes I have 3 deadlines in 1 week. That sounds stressful. That sounds stressful. It can be, but I love the work, so it's worth it. What about you? It can be, but I love the work, so it's worth it. What about you? I work part-time at a cafe. I'm also studying English. I work part-time at a cafe. I'm also studying English. That's great. How long have you been learning? That's great. How long have you been learning? About 1 year. I want to work in an international company one day. About 1 year. I want to work in an international company one day. Keep going. Your English is really good. Keep going. Your English is really good. And that's your speaking practice session done. You just shadowed over 60 sentences about how to talk about your job in English, from simple answers all the way to a full natural conversation. That is real progress. If you want to understand all the vocabulary and phrases we practiced today in more detail, go and watch the podcast episode with Mia and Alex. The link is in the description. That's your Learn episode. This was your Speak episode. Use them together for the best results. Here's your comment challenge for today. Write 1 sentence about your job in English in the comments below. Use I work as a, or I work for, or I work from home. Any sentence, just write it. Your English speaking practice starts right there in the comments. If this helped you, please subscribe to Speak Along English and give this video a like. It helps more learners find us. And come back tomorrow for more daily English conversation practice. Keep practicing, keep speaking. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.